Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Just some information about this show and my podcast show, as because anything in between can be found on my website, which is EileenLittleCrafter.com. Alrighty guys, so I've always said I am going to excuse some. I got a little bit of a mess going on. I gotta get rid of the box and I gotta clear up some stuff that's in that kitchen. So excuse it. The background is not the greatest. But anyway guys, I said I was going to do an unboxing. I say every month I'm gonna do it and I never do. This is a dia&co, Diana, I think that's how you say it, and company box, and they give you this little thingy with this bag that, and then it comes wrapped like this, and so that's how it comes. And this is, Eileen, thanks for letting us style you. It says, it's time for another Diana box. I am so happy you loved some of the pieces in your last box. Thank you for your feedback. I included more pants and tops. Let's see what other handpicked items that will make it into your wardrobe. Pair the something purple Tapala pants with the Allen something shirt with sandals, Emily's statement necklace for a bold casual look. The main boho top to be worn with the Oceana rolled up boyfriend jeans for a weekend ensemble. Mix and match these pieces with your favorite styles from your closet. Have fun trying on everything and let us know what you think, Victoria. Okay, Victoria. Ooh. So thank you, and then you rate it, and then you send back things before 5 days. Alrighty. First off, we have a top. So this is really cute. I'm definitely keeping this one. And this is Maya Sky. This is MER Sky. I wear a 3X. Some people say I can get away with a 2, but because of the arms, some days, some styles, I like to be a little more roomy. So I normally wear a 3X. I love the color, very pretty. And this is boho top. Definitely. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me share with you what this looks like. I am so sorry. Oh my goodness. And this is also another 3X. I love this detail right here. So stinking cute. And we have 2 pants here. I guess these are what pants are this? Molly and Sonora. So I'll give you guys this. Oh, can you read that? Yes, you're good. Alright. So, and these are, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these are 28. These kind of are not like wham bam purple. Like, this is just a very subtle purple, and I honestly don't own really colored pants except for maybe black and some tights. I've ventured out of like a blue, most colors, and one like coral color, but for the most part I haven't really ventured out like in pants. And I definitely think I will be keeping these if they fit, because sometimes, I'm gonna be honest guys, the pants are a little bit of a pain. And these are the boyfriend jeans. I love me some boyfriend jeans. Megan and Margot and Walker, these are 26. So depending on the stretch and the size, I definitely And they have like this little, whatchamacallit, that can be unfolded. So if you wanted to wear them along, you can. So that's really cute. So yeah, these are really, really cute. Let me show you some detailing. And so let me show you one more piece and then we'll get into, ooh, wait a minute. I think they sent me this one already. I definitely gotta see. Oh, I think they sent me this already, so I'm gonna double check, but I'm seriously, I think they sent it to me this already. I have something like this already. I think no, wait. No, it's not. It's not the same one. The other one has more, I think I like this one better though. But I kept the other one. I haven't worn it. And I keep putting it on, taking it off. I don't know why. Maybe I just need to keep it on and that's it. That's, or either that. And it comes like in this cute little purple mesh bag. This is really cute. So I kind of just put that back in there. And any other details? Okay, so you try them on. You send back what you like. Send back what you don't like or what doesn't fit. And what other little details? Okay, yeah, so this is the other detail that I was going to tell you. The necklace retails for $24. $29. The skies are blue, royal blue and pink. Sleeveless tee is $49. The Maya Sky Alma 3/4 sleeve plumen tee with light green and white is $45. The purple trousers are $75, and the boyfriend jeans are $75. So with that, basically, my grand total is basically $270, $273, but they take off a $5 $25 $20 styling fee, which is credited towards anything you keep. And then if you keep everything, they give you a 25% off, which is $68.28. Each time is different. So if I wanted to keep everything, I basically would pay $184.75. And I've heard that people say this is expensive clothing. Even though I did put everything as low as possible, I love what they pick out for me. So it's kind of like, some weeks, I may not even buy any, some months I may not even buy anything. But this is absolutely worth it. It's a really good buy, and I'm just, going to try these pants on before I commit to anything. And yeah, so that's basically how this works. You get charged a $25 stylist fee, which is basically non-refundable. And then what you do is you pick out your style. You go through all this list. They are very detailed about what colors you like, what styles you like. If you're casual, if you're more casual, or your business, how often do you have to wear stuff for business? And my crazy hair, seriously, I don't know. I guess because it's growing out, I don't know. Anyways, so they're very detail oriented in your style profile, and I have gotten a few things that I had to take back, a few things that haven't fit. Yeah, no, I really I think I may, this is one of the boxes I may definitely keep everything, if everything fits. So as promised, it's a dia&co unboxing. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more like this, let me know down in the comments below, or just give it a thumbs up. Or just even you guys viewing it. I hope that, you know, the lighting is not the best, but I apologize on that one. I'm still working on my lighting situation here. I have a couple of things that I gotta think about. Anyways, so yeah, so if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or you can always email me. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecrafter.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.